Hi everyone, thanks for tuning into our channel. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the CJ Tech smartwatch. So this is a wireless calling feature that it has, and you can make and receive calls from your watch. I believe it is compatible with the iPhone and any Android phone as well. Just to look on here, it says wireless calling. There's music control that you can, and it has a built-in speaker as well. It's full touch. LCD screen. It can monitor your heart rate. There's different exercise modes for monitoring purposes. You get your call and text messages, notifications from here as well, and it's water resistant. So just to look over here, the smartwatch offers a complete solution for keeping you on track with your health and fitness goals. Yeah, it looks pretty good, Bluetooth. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this now. See what there is on the inside here. Looks like it's nicely packaged in a nice little container. I gotta open over here as well. There's a sticker there and a sticker on this side. There we go. So let's just see. Ooh, okay. So there's a lot of things in here. So first off, there is the user manual, which shows quite detail, so that'll definitely be coming in handy. There is the strap for the watch, pretty neat. There is the charging port as well here, so I guess, and here's the actual watch itself. So I guess when you charge it up, these two metal pieces connect to the back here, and then that's it. So it will charge up. So I'm gonna try set this thing up. This looks pretty sturdy. It's a metal backing here. It's obviously wireless charging here. And I can't wait to use this. Just peeling this part off here. Ooh, and it has quite a nice weight to it. So you'd know that it's not cheaply made as well. So I'm going to enjoy using this. Okay, so I have let the watch recharge a bit more so that we have a bit of battery power, and I'll take you through some of the features here. So if you want to pair it up, you need to go into that dual mode, make sure that it's on, and then I think it's well active or well-being that you look on the your phone's Bluetooth to pair it with, so that there's the music mode. You could go from one song to the next. You control the volume from your cell phone itself. You can make calls. This is the dial pad there. If you want the main screen or different options, you could just swipe differently. So I set the time there. There's different apps that you can use for, there's a download app feature here. There's an app that you need to download onto your cell phone if you want to use the fitness aspect of this watch, in order to monitor your heart rate, your steps that you've taken. So it's pretty responsive. I'm pretty happy with it. Again, it's a wireless recharging. So I hope you enjoyed this review and unboxing. Remember to subscribe to our channel. Click that bell notification icon so that you're always up to date on our newest videos, and hit that like button. So until next time, take care.